How to record webcam video. How to record webcam video without background, or have a round frame or a mirror effect. Hey, it's Josh from Wondershare DemoCreator. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background in a webcam video without needing one of those green screens. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the latest tips and tricks for video creation. In my previous video, I've shown you how to change your video background with the green screen function in DemoCreator. However, adding a green screen to your PC setup is time consuming and costly, not to mention difficult to move. But now, the new DemoCreator offers AI facial recognition without the need for complex green screen setups, lots of lights, and it helps you remove webcam background by a single click, no matter where you are. So, let me show you how to do that. If you want to record a webcam video, please make sure your webcam is well connected with your PC, and then select the new recording to get started. Then enable the webcam recording function. In this way, your webcam overlay will show on. Place your mouse over the webcam overlay and you will see 4 options. From left to right: circle frame, rectangle frame, AI facial recognition, and mirror image. You can select what you want to start. For example, I select the AI face recognition function, and you can see that my background is gone. All that's left is my face and body. Alright, you can try other features as well, such as circular picture frame or the mirror image. Once you have selected the feature that you want, click the red round record button to start recording. Of course, don't forget to disable the camera overlay function. In this way, you will not record your webcam overlay with your screen video at the same track, but your webcam video will be shown on a different track, and you can edit it very easily. If you enable the camera overlay function, your screen video and webcam video will be combined in the same video track, and you can't adjust your webcam recording as you like. After recording, your webcam video will be presented in the video editor directly, and you can edit as much as you like, such as changing the webcam video position, video size, and so on. This section has introduced a very simple way to remove backgrounds in a webcam without a green screen. Just use the new webcam recording function in DemoCreator. This is pretty useful for game video recordings or tutorial video recordings and so on. However, how do you go about removing the background of a video that I took with a camera already? How does this work in DemoCreator? Do not worry, let me show you how. If you've got 2 pieces of video footage and you want to combine these 2 videos into one video and remove the background of another video, then let me show you how to do that. First, launch the DemoCreator program and go to the video editor. Next, you need to bring in any photos or videos that you want to add to your video in DemoCreator. You can do that by clicking on the import icon to import media files and drag your favorite clips to the timeline. Now you have a base for your video, and your 2 video clips will overlap each other. At this point, you need to adjust the video size and make your video look more normal. You can resize the video by dragging and dropping the edge of the video and moving it to the appropriate position. I habitually place the portrait in the bottom right corner so that it doesn't block out my content section. Then go to the Effects tab and select the facial recognition effect. What you need to do is drag and drop it on the video track that you want. For example, I want to remove the background of my spokesperson video, so I drag and drop it on this video track. Look, it's amazing. All my backgrounds are deleted. After that, you can drag the border to change the size and position, or disable the facial recognition in the right panel, which is easy and interesting. What's more, if you want to add more effects on your video, just select the wanted effects type, like a mirror image or a mask. Drag and drop it on the timeline and edit it as you like. Super easy. Well, isn't that very easy? In addition to using these features, you can also add some fun video effects and stickers on your video. The latest DemoCreator version 5 adds a lot of new features. Which features do you want to know about next time? Let us know down in the comments. Finally, if you want to see more videos, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.